Hey guys, Julie here, and today I'm going to show you 3 easy types of mocktails that you can make and enjoy during pregnancy, or really anytime you just want a delicious beverage without the alcohol. We're making a superberry margarita, a classic mimosa, and a gingery Moscow mule. And while none of these mocktails taste exactly like their boozy counterparts, they are delicious nevertheless and will make any occasion feel a lot more special and definitely more celebratory. To a blender, add 3 cups of frozen strawberries, along with 1 cup of ice. Add the zest of 1 lime and squeeze in its juice as well. Add some acai powder or any kind of superberry powder if you wish for extra antioxidants. And a pinch of sea salt. And pour in a little apple juice, as well as some lime-flavored sparkling water. Add a little alcohol-free liquid stevia to sweeten, and blend everything until frosty. Pour into glasses, lined with salt if you wish, and serve. Pour a little orange juice into a champagne flute, about 1/3 of the way full. Top off the glass with chilled ginger ale stevia soda. Garnish with a few fresh raspberries and enjoy. To a chilled glass, add some ginger ale stevia soda to keep the recipe low in sugar. Pour in a little apple juice and grate in a bit of peeled fresh ginger if you like for an extra gingery punch. Squeeze in half a lime and add the fruit to the glass, stirring everything together well. Tuck in a big handful of ice and serve. For all of these recipes, extra tips, and much more, visit us at luminberry.com. And if you love this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel to get all the latest on cooking with superfoods and healthy lifestyle inspiration.